How to get your phantom wallet address. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can look it up your phantom wallet address. So if you're also looking up for your wallet address and if you're not finding, these are the methods you can follow up and you should be able to find up your wallet address. First of all, go ahead and open up your phantom wallet in your device. And once you've opened it up, you can just log in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you will be seeing the dashboard of the phantom wallet on the screen. And in order to find your address, it is super easy. You can go ahead and tap on this receive option. And once you go over here, you will be finding different kind of tokens. So to find an address for each of the token, you just need to tap on that particular token and you will be finding the code right here. So you can just go ahead and copy this code and send it to the center from where you are receiving the funds, and that is it. So you can just look up for that. Otherwise, you can also look up for the QR code, and that is it. So that is how you find up your address, your phantom wallet address, by following up this method, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.